To begin, in a large pot over medium-high heat, add in 2 pounds of lean ground beef. We want to break that up and brown it for about 5 minutes. And after it is nice and brown, add in 1 white diced onion. Get that cooking until the onion becomes translucent, about 3 minutes. Now add in 5 cloves of garlic minced. Then brace yourself because we are ready for the dump and simmer stage. We're going to add in the rest of the ingredients. Add in 3 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt or to taste, about 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper or to taste. Give it a quick stir here. Two 15-ounce cans of red kidney beans, drained and rinsed. 1 14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes. 8-ounce can of green chilies. 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. 4 cups of low-sodium beef broth. We're gonna stir this and we're gonna reduce the fire to low heat. Continue simmering for 1 hour at low heat. You may stir this every 20 minutes or so to make sure that nothing catches at the bottom of the pot and burns. And after 1 hour, you are almost ready to eat. Then, after it simmered for 1 hour, we want to thicken it up. I have some tortilla chips in here. You want to crush those up until they are finely crushed. You're going to need about half a cup of crushed tortilla chips. Pour that in your chili, stir that all in. Let it cook for another 10 minutes and those chips will slowly dissolve and thicken up the rest of the juices in our chili. Then that's it. Now you are ready to eat. You may top this with shredded cheddar cheese, sour cream, and freshly chopped cilantro. And there you guys have it, classic chili. Enjoy. Buen provecho. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing. Leave me some comments down below, give it a thumbs up, and YouTube wants you to watch that recipe and that recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, thanks for watching.